Now then you come the paper presentation that I have told you in the class also. Whenever you write the answer, underline, okay, by pencil. And when you finish the answer, yes, every like 2 lines you can underline which look decent, okay. So see that you write neatly. This I have given something like that. So MCQ also, you see, you write the main question and then you write the sub question, and also if you write the answer is well and good, okay. So I have given some answer papers like that. You just go through it, how it should be clean, neat, and always see that your main question starts from the main page, okay. Don't sub questions. If you finish it, then new page with a new question paper, always remember that way, okay. So I have given you some examples how to write the answers and all. So just go through this, how you write the answer, and clean and neat. And after the answer, you can, with pencil, you can underline 2 lines, okay. That will look very nice, okay. Diagram also you see, okay. That also should be neat and tidy. Don't use unnecessarily now and then eraser and make it black and all. That will lose your marks, okay. See how it is represented. And then the table they have given, okay. Against the this one diagram, you have to write the answer like that, okay. So that same diagram you have to draw, and always see that the diagram you will draw it at the end. Don't draw in the middle of the paper. First you complete the paper, whatever work you have to do by pen, that you do first, and then you do the diagram work, okay. So don't waste time like that. Is that clear? Now the important questions we'll talk about. Now the important questions in our full chapter, you see, heredity and evolution. Just go through it. Important questions I have given chapter wise. Just go through it, which comes in the board examination, okay. So heredity and evolution, you see, first chapter, the important questions. And also see, complete the flow chart what they ask in the board exam. Now chapter number 2, life process in living process organisms, part 1, you see the important question what they ask you, okay. Explain the different steps involved in aerobic respiration with diagram. Why ATP is considered as energy currency. This all are important question. Then distinguish between mitosis and meiosis. That also you see, okay. Go through all these questions, and I have given the marks also, how much it carries. Then you are having the flow chart of aerobic respiration. That also see, in between they will give the answer and blank you will have to give, and each blank will carry half of mark, okay. Then the next question is, what are the importance of mitosis? Give reason we feel tired while performing exercise, okay. Scientific reason, general answers they will ask you. Then we come to chapter number 3, life process in living organism, part 2. Here also you see the important question. Define pollution and fertilization. What is double fertilization, okay. Then explain the method of reproduction, okay. Write a budding in hydra with diagram. What are the two main processes occur in sexual reproduction? Explain sexual reproduction plants with diagram. Then very important, write a neat and label diagram of female reproductive system. Mostly they ask you this only, okay, with diagram, because it's very easy diagram. Then what is surrogacy? That also, what are twins? Explain the types of twins. Then name any two sexual transmitted diseases. What is double fertilization? All these things, okay. Then they will give you one diagram and ask you explain the concept behind this diagram. Now we'll come to the fourth chapter, environmental management. Here also many questions are asked. This also important. Define pollution. What are the reasons for pollution? What are the effects and control of air pollution? Write the effects and control of water pollution, okay. So these all questions you just go through it. What are the reason for endangering the main species of plants and animals? How can we save those? Write a note on radioactive pollution. Explain the types of biodiversity. Write the names of biodiversity hotspots. Write a note on sacred groves. Classify the following threatened species, okay. Lion tail monkey, red panda, giant squirrel. Then what are the meanings of following symbols, okay. They will draw the symbol and you'll have to write the meaning of that, okay. Then they will give you like a comprehension, read and answer the following question. Okay, how you have comprehension, and below that they will ask you some question related to that passage. Okay, now chapter number 5, important questions towards green energy. What are the problems raised in thermal power plant? What is meant by green energy? Which energy sources can be called as green energy sources? Give examples. Give reasons saving energy is the need of the hour. All these important questions. You just go through it. This carries 2 marks each. Okay. Write a note on solar photovoltaic cell. That is also important. Then this like a puzzle crossword, if you see that also sometime they ask in the board examination. You have to write the answer. Okay, they will give you the riddle. Okay, and you have to write one word out of that. Okay, so what is that word? Like that puzzle also they ask you crosswords, which you might have seen in your newspaper, this way, like that. So you'll have to draw this full puzzle again and write the answer. So all this drawing and all, what you'll do it at the end. Okay, don't do in the middle of the paper. First you complete the paper wherever answers are required, and then you come back and do all these things. Okay, leave one page and come back and solve this. Then draw the diagram of schematic of windmill. Okay, role of gear, blades, generator, what is inverter, all these things, questions and all. So writing work you do first, and diagram and everything you do it. And then you are having chapter number 6, animal classification. Write the characteristic of the following, any 6 point. So this all the classification. Okay, animal classification, what are the phylum. Okay, then which phylum, which examples, earthworm. Okay, then you are having snail. All these things you have to remember. Then distinguish between amphibia and reptilia. Okay, so this all things about the animals you have to remember, and label and classify the following. Okay, octopus, hydra, starfish, pigeon. Out of that, one will come in the exam. Okay, each of 3 marks, like that. Then you are incomplete the flow chart. That also is comes in the examination. Then the 7th chapter, introduction of microbiology. Explain the preparation of cheese. Write a note on probiotics. What is vinegar? Explain the preparation of vinegar. Give reason microbial enzymes are eco-friendly. Which precautions are necessary for proper decomposition of domestic waste? Draw a neat diagram of modern landfill site. How can the oil spills of rivers and oceans be cleaned? So these are all the main things which we go through in our day-to-day life. What is antibiotics? Give 2 example. Write a note on clean technology. How can the oil spills of rivers and oceans be clean? These are all the basic thing, general knowledge you should have. Okay, cell biology, and biotechnology. Chapter number 8. What are the stem cells? Explain the types of stem cells. What are the benefits of biotechnology? Write a note on organ transplantation. Okay, so these are all the things which you should know about it. Then write a note on organ transplantation. Give 2 examples of commercial application of biotechnology. Write a note on biofertilizers. Write a note on green revolution. See all these questions. Okay, write a note on fingerprinting. Explain the meaning of vaccination. What are the importance of medicinal plants? Now, chapter 9, social health. Okay, give scientific reasons. Cell phone is killing social life. Okay, so this is a very important chapter. This they talk about our day-to-day life. What are the factors important for good social health? Okay, then write a note on Salam Mumbai Foundation. Old age homes are increasing in India. Why? So all these things, children, you have to write in your own words. Okay, sometimes they will ask you some question related to our day-to-day. Okay, so write in your own words. No, don't leave any answer blank. Okay, write some answers, so you'll get marks for that. So this chapter is like that. So write something. Okay, don't leave it blank only. Whatever you feel, you write it. Okay, and write neatly and cleanly. Don't leave any answer blank. These are all scoring. Okay, you write in your own words, no problem. Child of your neighbor is addicted to tobacco chewing. What will you do and why? Okay, this all you have to write in your own words. What will you do? This very important. And next, last chapter is your disaster management. What are the properties of disaster management? Okay, these are all what nowadays is very important, okay, because there are a lot of floods and all because of rain and all. So earthquake, what will happen, what will do. So this also you see there are war going on, so that destructs the whole society. Pollution, okay, what will you do, okay, to give them first aid. So these are all important things. Write in your own words, okay, and identify the type of disaster you will have: terrorism, hepatitis, soil erosion, forest fire, theft, famine. Okay, what is forest fire? All these questions they will ask you. Okay, then again they will draw some diagram. They will ask you what is that diagram represent. Okay, so you have to write in your own words. Is that clear? That's all. Wishing you all the best and God bless you, children.